What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. We're going to show you what's going on in the shop as always. There's lots happening here this week. Behind me, we've got a Sea-Doo, and this thing, from what the guys were telling me in the shop yesterday, has 300 horsepower, I guess, which is pretty awesome for a jet ski. So you can see it's all taped up around all the plastic. Caleb has been polishing this. There's Caleb. We are doing a ceramic coating on it as we speak. Over here on the lift, we've got an S63 AMG. This one's here for a full XPEL paint protection wrap. And that is done. We need to take it outside, give it a quick look over, and then it's ready for a ceramic coating, which is going down this afternoon. That will be an XPEL Fusion coating with the wheels off. And another full wrap. This one's on a GT500. This is the carbon fiber track package on it. We've got carbon fiber wheels, the rear carbon fiber spoiler that's different than the regular GT500. And the reason for that is because the owner of this car is going to track this car very heavily. That's why he bought it. So it got a full XPEL wrap. We're doing clear plex on the windshield. It's getting ceramic coated, and then it's going home. Sam is currently working on a Camaro SS. This thing sounds awesome. Sounds like it's got a cam, it's got headers and exhaust. Anyhow, we are doing a paint correction and a coating on that. We also tinted the windows on this one. Over here we've got a Mazda. This one's here for an interior detail package, so cleaning up everything in there. Lots of dog hair in that car. And Austin's working on doing paint protection film on the inside of the car. Check this out. Really, really intricate work. XPEL makes patterns for the piano black on the inside of this thing. So there are many, many pieces to that kit. And we've got some paint protection guys prepping a GMC Sierra AT4. This one's getting the full front end package. All of the white parts that you see on the hood, the fenders, the front bumper, the mirrors, and the grills, as well as the piano black pieces, are all getting protected with XPEL. Here's a car we don't see very often. This is a Volkswagen Rton. Is that how you pronounce that? Yeah, that's how I say it. So this one got paint protection on the whole front, hood, fenders, mirrors, bumpers, and it's getting a ceramic coating. Right now it's up in the air, taking the wheels off. This got a Ceramic Pro Gold package. And in the tint bay, we've got three guys tag teaming a Tesla Model S. This is here for window tint. So this person decided to go with XR Plus from XPEL, which is the highest heat rejection film on the market. Blocks 98% of infrared radiation to help keep you cooler in the car. We love our Teslas and our Tesla customers. This is a Rolls-Royce wheel. It's huge. We picked it up for a good friend of ours from Wheel Connection down in Pittsburgh, if you guys know Chad. It's a hot day in LATROBE today. It's in the 90s. Over here we have a Toyota Tacoma. This one's getting sort of a custom vinyl piece. It's almost like a half wrap. So basically from the window moldings up will be wrapped in satin black, all the way back to the back window, and of course the roof. It'll come the whole way up the pillar as well, and basically line up with this on the door. So we're just about to get this in and get it prepped and torn apart. We'll be removing the rubber seals and the mirrors and the antenna to make sure we get full coverage and make sure that looks like paint. And a new F-150 was here for paint protection. This one got the whole front end, hood, fenders, front bumper, and mirrors. Sound like a broken record. I feel like everything gets full front end. Down here we have a CT4V. This car was in for window tint. It's done. I think it's not getting picked up for a little while. I want to say the owner might be on vacation or something. We tinted it way earlier. We had a cancellation, so I like those cars. Got a Chrysler Pacifica. This one also got window tint. It is done and ready to go home. We have a Jaguar F-Pace S. It's been prepped. It's next up for polish and ceramic coating. Here's an exciting car. This is a Dodge Challenger Hellcat Red Eye, and it's here for a couple of different things. Somebody had previously done some paint protection film installation on it, but it wasn't beautiful. The fenders had a cutout around the Hellcat badge, and it was sort of a choppy hand cut. So we removed the PPF from the fenders. We installed new film there. On the mirrors, we redid those as well for some wavy cuts and things like that as well. And then on the roof, we rewrapped the roof black. There was really wavy cuts on the side where you could see some white, and it was very inconsistent. So we took care of that. We also stripped and retinted the car. We wrapped the trunk deck in satin black also. Out front, we've got a cool selection of cars. We have the diesel Cayenne. You guys probably remember seeing this the last couple of weeks. Supposed to get picked up today. We tinted the windows, replaced all the paint protection film on the front end, polished the car, ceramic coated the car, cleaned the engine bay, cleaned the interior, and ceramic coated the wheels. So lots of things happened to this Cayenne. Got a Mercedes-Benz GLE. This one was here for window tint this morning. It is done and ready to go home. We've got a McLaren 620R. You guys probably remember this from last week or the week before as well. And we basically had to replace some pieces of paint protection just from track use, and it's ready to go home now. So that's it for what's going on in this shop. Stay tuned because very soon we're going to take some more trips down to our North Pittsburgh location and show you what's going on there. Lots of fun construction projects happening and some other things that we can't really talk about, as well as maybe a third location coming up. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Stay up to date with what's going on at Blackout, and we will see you next week.